In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the size of your logo in Weebly. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then sign in to your Weebly account. From your dashboard, select the website you want to edit and click Edit Site to open the website editor. In the editor, locate your logo in the header section and click on it to select it. Once the logo is selected, resize handles will appear around the image. Click and drag one of the corner handles inward to make the logo smaller or outward to make it larger. Using a corner handle helps keep the logo's proportions the same while you resize it. If your theme includes logo or header settings, you can also click the Theme tab and adjust the logo or header spacing options to improve how the resized logo fits within the header. When you're satisfied with the size and placement, click Publish to save your changes and update your live website. That's how to change the size of your logo in Weebly. Thanks for watching.